Hey there YouTube. Today I'm making a video about the plug on a 2005 F-150, the trailer harness back here. So I don't know if I'm the only one that's ever noticed this, but this plug is different than every other trailer plug in the world. On a normal plug, see how long the terminals are here, not the ground. These ones, see how short they are on the forward connector? Like you can just see, looking from right there, how much shorter the turn signals, brakes, and stuff, those connectors are. And this has always been a problem for me, and obviously the previous owner, because there's lots of corrosion here from shorting. And I've just kind of dealt with it, and my trailer lights would work randomly, and it was just very frustrating. And I decided, instead of buying the whole new factory harness, I just cut the end off of one of the replacements from Hopkins, and I'm just gonna stick this sucker in there, and I'll have working trailer lights again. So I'll cut this off and show you a little bit better. Alright, so here's the connector on my boat. I'm gonna plug it into the forward one, and there, that is plugged in all the way. You'll see that the prongs are still exposed. Here is the new connector, and here's the boat. Shove this in here. Obviously I need to lube it because it's new, it's tight still. This one fits. No exposed connectors there. So if you've ever wondered if you're crazy or if Ford just sucks, Ford sucks. Here is the Ford logo and the Ford part number. XL8T14A6248.